Yo, what's up YouTube, it's Pigeon Empire back again with another video for you guys, and today we'll go ahead and take a look at pigeons humming. Okay, so guys, this is something that one of our subscribers asked, and I had literally just forgotten about this topic, but
yeah guys, the same thing here too. We lost all the audio, but this will be the last video that we will have with these issues with. But from the next video we promise you that we won't have this type of difficulties and stuff. But anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this and get it off the way. So here basically we are talking about humming, like when the pigeons make their humming sound, guys. I don't know if you have noticed it, but I'm sure that the people have been asking me about this question have noticed it, and they are wondering that why the pigeons do make that sound, and they find it weird. And the guy that asked me this question, his pigeons were in a nest, in a pairing box. Okay, he was pairing those pigeons at that moment, but then when he heard the pigeon humming, he thought that he's going to lay eggs, and he separated them and he got scared. Now guys, this is nothing to panic about. Number one, it's just a sign of, number one, the pigeons are calling one of the pigeons, like the sound is done by any of the pigeons, like the male makes the sound and the female also makes that sound. But now it depends. So it could be that either the male or the female is calling the other to come and mate. That's number one. Number two, it's either they are flirting and calling each other again. That's the reason why they make that sound. It's a humming sound. Number three, it could be also maybe the pigeon is about to lay eggs, but now that will come after the pigeons being paired. So it won't happen unless the pigeons are paired. So that will be the last thing that you can think of after the pigeons are paired, after they have made their nest. If they make that sound, then you know that the pigeons are going to lay eggs. Okay, so now the other reason could be maybe one of the pigeons is calling the other to come and build a nest. Okay, so those are the main three reasons to why the pigeons make that humming sound, and it's not necessarily done by only the male or only the female. Both of them can make it depending on the scenario and depending on the situation. So the three things, again guys, I'm repeating the three things in order. Number one, it's either they're calling each other, they're flirting with each other, the pigeons want to get ready for mating, like they're just getting paired. That's a good sign of knowing that your pigeons are getting paired once you hear that humming sound. Number two, it's either the pigeons are calling each other to create a nest, okay, to build a nest to be able to lay eggs, of which will happen after them mating, after them flirting around. Okay, so most likely you will not come across this during this period of time, because mostly guys, they tend to make that sound during the beginning stages. But however, not all pigeons are the same. Okay, so some usually tend to do it on the next stage, which is when they want to build a nest. And the last and the final reason to why that make that sound is because the pigeon is about to lay eggs. Okay, so it's about to lay eggs and it's calling the male pigeon. The female pigeon usually makes that sound when it's in the nest box to call the male pigeon to it, because it's laying the egg. Okay, that's basically the reason. Now this will happen after all those two scenarios that I gave you earlier on. But now this also very rarely happens. Okay guys, it's very rare, and it will only happen if the pigeons didn't make that sound from the first two stages, of which is not even necessary. Some might make this sound during all the three stages. Guys, you can never know, but these are the three possibilities to why, and the three reasons to why they make this sound. And I'm giving you a rough idea so that you guys don't freak out, because I know there are so many beginners watching our videos, so we want them to be educated as well, and them not to panic on small things like this. I hope you guys understood this, and I explained it briefly and in short because we lost the audio, guys. Trust me, I stood there, recorded 4 videos I was tired as hell on the hot sun, guys, recording these videos for you guys, and I'm really disappointed that all the audio was screwed up and messed up, and there was no way I could fix this issue apart from doing a voiceover like this. Anyway, guys, please just bear with us from next week. I promise you guys we'll have better quality of audio because I've already set up all that, and we'll never face these issues again. Anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I love interacting with you guys. Kindly hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. All the links are in the description below. And make sure to check out our website, pigeonempire.info. You want to talk? Let's talk on the website, on the live chat box, guys. We can communicate there at all times, okay? You can communicate with each other, get to know each other. We can have fun, we can joke around, and let's make the chat room on the website fun and amazing, okay? The other thing I want to mention is that there's a video schedule tab on the website, so you guys can go ahead and check out the entire week's video schedule of the YouTube channel, okay? So that you guys know that what topics we are going to talk about during that week and what episodes will be aired that week, okay, guys? So with that being said, guys, it's time to sign off out of here, man. And catch you in the next video, guys. Pigeon Empire, we off. Stay safe. Take good care of your pigeons. And peace.